Is the health crisis driving buyers out of the urban areas? I'm Scott Neal from Scott Neal Real Estate, and we are seeing some interesting trends amongst home buyers, especially regarding the pandemic. So this whole thing has caused people to really change their thinking on how they go about operating their normal lives. And that's also causing some interesting trends to happen in the real estate sector. So recently, news.com released a report that's basically saying home buyers' views on listings have changed a little bit. In fact, suburban views are up 13% and rural views are up 16%. Now, just anecdotally, I can think of at least one guy that I know of that's saying, I want to move more rurally because of all of the unrest that's going on in our country right now. So whether his particular view is warranted or not, it doesn't matter, because his perception of what's happening is altering his wants out of housing. In this report, Javier Vivas, who is the director of economic research for Realtor.com, says that this migration to the suburbs is not really a new trend, but it has become more pronounced. So after several months of shelter-in-place orders, the desire to have more space and the potential for more people to work remotely are likely two of the factors contributing to the popularity of the suburbs. So I know just from talking to a couple of our clients that are not working in the office anymore and they're working from home, some of those people are saying that their move is going to be permanent. So if you're going to now be permanently working from home versus where you were, that's obviously going to change some of the needs that you need out of your housing. And so this is causing more and more people to move out of the city and want to be in the suburbs or even more in rural places. And as our internet gets better and better out in rural places, it seems like more and more people are going to start moving out there. So Realtor Magazine also just reported that nearly 30% of their respondents that are living in high density urban areas say that the pandemic is prompting them to want to make a move by the end of the year. Some other reports that we're seeing in the new construction sector, this from Zillow, they recently sent out a report that said builders are believing that more people are going to be spending time at home. Obviously, if you can't go out and spend time at restaurants and bars and out doing things that you would normally do, you're going to be spending more time at home. But also, home builders are predicting that the open concept floor plan might be a thing of the past, which I find very interesting, because an open concept floor plan is one of the big things that we hear that buyers want. Over the past 10 to 20 years, that has become almost a necessity that you've got to have in a home, is that open kitchen, open living areas. But builders think that might change soon. We'll see. The virus is even impacting the luxury second home market. So kind of some interesting things here from Danielle Hale, the chief economist for Realtor.com. She says that the stay-at-home orders and social distancing have put a new value on the extra space. We're seeing second home markets increased interest from luxury buyers. So views of luxury properties accelerated 56% in the Hamptons, 28% in Palm Springs, and 24% in Greenwich compared to the January trends. So bottom line is, people are moving. The trends seem to be changing a little bit. So we'll see how all of this shakes out over the next, say, 3 to 5 years. But if you're thinking about making a move, things are still happening. It is July 4th weekend coming up right now. People want to get out and look at some homes. If you're thinking about selling your home, or if you're thinking about buying a new home, we'd love to talk with you. You can give us a call at our office, 469-998-3322, or visit us on our website at mydallashomefinder.com. Have a happy 4th of July weekend. Thank you, and happy selling.